So here with me I've got the brand new DCD999, a machine with both character and attitude. The character part of it, the machine looks like a gentleman in a suit that when presented to someone, it's got some seriousness to it. Talking about attitude is when you pair it with a 6 Ah FLEXVOLT battery. The DCD999 comes with an 18V brushless motor that produces 160 Nm of torque when paired with a 6 Ah FLEXVOLT battery and 125 Nm of torque when paired with a 9 Ah FLEXVOLT battery. That is where the attitude comes in. A bigger battery, more power. One of the features that you'll also find on the DCD999 is the 11 torque settings. That also features a hammer mode. Completing the motor assembly is a full metal 13mm chuck. The DCD999 features an improved LED light that is 20 times brighter than previous. This LED light can be used in 3 modes: dim, bright, and the torch feature. So let us see what you get when you buy the DCD999. In the box you'll find the brand new DCD999, the extra long handle, the DCB116 charger, and one 54V FLEXVOLT battery.
So the big question on everyone's mind is the DCD999 that much better than the 996? So let's have a look at them and see what are the differences. First off, in terms of size, they're pretty much identical. Both are the same length and they both have the same compact design. Both machines weigh in at 1.6 kilograms without the battery. The 996 is normally sold with an 18V battery. With that battery fitted, it will weigh in at 2.2 kilograms. The 999 is sold standard with the 54V battery, so it will weigh in at 2.7 kilograms. The DCD996 has a maximum output torque of 95 Newton meters. DEWALT has rated the 999 to push out 160 Newton meters when fitted with a 54V 6 Ah battery, and it can go up to 126 Newton meters when fitted with a 54V 9 Ah battery. There are some other design changes as well. The 999 is supplied with the extra long handle to handle that extra torque, whereas the 996 comes with the standard handle. And then of course, as Matthew mentioned, the 999 has got a new and improved, much brighter LED light at the base. So testing these two models is not as straightforward as it seems. Why? Well, we can't really test an 18V machine against a 54V machine. It wouldn't be a fair comparison. So what we've done, we've tested the 996 with an 18V battery and the 999 with an 18V battery to use that as a baseline. And then we've also run the same tests again, both using them on 54V batteries. Looking at the results, in actually all of the tests, the 999 was faster. Even when fitted with an 18V battery, it outperformed the 996 with an 18V battery. And of course, in terms of speed, the 999 with the 6 Ah battery was faster in all of the tests. The The one test that stood out the most was the concrete drilling. We were drilling with an 8mm bit into solid concrete. In that test, you could feel that the DCD999 was quicker and easier through the material.
The DCD999 is a true game changer, hosting an array of new technology in a machine of this kind.
We've been using the 996 for so long and we've always been really impressed with it. So we really wanted to see, is this machine that much stronger? And from the test results, we're confident that they've built a more powerful machine. But for me, what I'm most impressed about is the fact that they've designed a more powerful machine that's exactly the same size and weight as its predecessor. That means they're really increasing the power to weight ratio.
The FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE range hosts 4 machines, and this machine will be the right machine to start off to build your FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE package.